Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? DJ Team here, and I'm pretty good, thank you. So, in this video clip, I actually do not need to show you anything on the whiteboard. We are just going to work with the book today. We're going to do 2 pages, page 231 and 230. Oh, sorry, 230 and 231. Okay, so please take out your book and open it to 230. Alright, so I will show you the book in a second. I will just change my camera angle while you take out your books. Okay, see you in a few seconds. Okay, so here we are on page 230 in the book. So, color the correct numbers to make a number sentence. Okay, so you need to use 3 numbers out of these 6 to make a number sentence. And then B, use 3 numbers of these 6 to make a number sentence. And C, D, E, and F. Okay? So I will help you with the first one. So we have number 15, 2, 12, 10, 4, and 11. Okay? So, let's see. And it's subtraction, as you know. So let's start with number 15. 15 minus what? Minus 4 maybe. And that will be 11. 15 minus 4 equals 11. Okay? But then also, if you change things around, then you have another number sentence that is correct. So let's start with 15 minus 11 equals 4. That is also correct. But we have other ones, because there are so many numbers. There are 6 numbers. So sometimes there's only 3 numbers that you can use, but you can shift them around. But sometimes there are different numbers, other numbers that you can use to make a number sentence. So let's see, what other numbers can we use? How about these numbers? 12 minus 2 equals 10. And then if we shift these around, 12 minus 10 equals 2. That is also correct. Okay? So I will leave B, C, D, E, and F for you to do. Alright? Now, let's go to page 231. Alright. So, answer the questions. A, write your answers on the puzzle pieces. So 11 minus 9 equals 2, and 2 equals K. So 2 equals K. Okay? And 19 minus 2, what is that? Anyone? So let's divide them. You don't have to write this, but just think. Let's divide them into number bonds. So we have 10 and we have 9. So the tens, 1/10, we don't need to bother with. We only need to focus on the ones. So 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus 10, 17. So we have 17, and 17 equals F. Okay, I will do one more. So 13 minus 7, and here 7 is more than 3, because you have 3 ones and then you have 7 ones. So 7 ones cannot deduct 3 ones from. So here we deduct from 10. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 6. And 6 equals A. Okay, so you finish these and you get a lot of letters, okay, then exercise B, fill in each blank with a letter that matches the answer on the puzzle pieces. On 13th to 15th April, we will celebrate what? So let's see, 2K. Any more twos? No more twos. 17, here, F. And then any more 17s? No more 17s. How about 6? Number 6. Here, 1 6. A. Any more 6? That's one more 6. A. Oh, but then no more 6. Okay, so then you finish all of these, and then you see what these numbers, what words they create. Okay, good. So that is all for this video clip. I know this is a short video clip, and these are only 2 pages, and they should be fairly easy for you to do. Okay, so when it comes to these equations, you solve them any way you want with either of the method that I have taught you. Okay, so if you want to use subtracting from 10 first, that is okay. That was what I did with this number. I subtracted the 10 first. Sorry, I subtracted from 10 first, because 3 ones is less than 7 ones. So that's why I subtracted from 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, and then I add the ones together. 3 plus 3 is 6. But here I subtracted from the ones first. I made this into a number bond. 10 and 9. 1 tens, and then 9 ones. So 9 ones minus 2 is 7 ones. And then 7 plus 10, 17. And I did the same here. Here I deducted from the tens, because 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so you can use either method, subtracting from 10 first, or subtracting to get 10 first, means you subtract the ones first, and then you continue with the tens. Or you can do subtracting from ones only. Okay, so if the ones are if the number you subtract from is less than the ones, then you can do from ones only. So that's up to you which method you use, as long as you get the answers correct. Okay, good. Now give your phone and the book to your parents, your mother or your father, because I'm going to give them the correct answers. Okay, alright, take care and bye bye. Okay, so now this part is for you mothers and fathers out there. I have now given you the correct answers, and as you can see under the boxes that I have answered, there are more answers, because there's not just one answer that can be correct. I mean, if you look at the first one, only using those 6 numbers, we have 15 minus 4 equals 11. That's a number sentence. But also 15 minus 11 equals 4. So the same numbers, but we just shift them around. We change the 4 to 11. So we take minus 11 instead of minus 4. And that equals, in one case, 11, and is in the second case 4. Because we just shift them around, change position for them. So those are using the same numbers. We have 2 correct answers just there. But underneath we have another number, another set of numbers. 12 minus 2 equals 10. That is also correct. And then if we shift them around there, we have 12 minus 10 equals 2. So that one has 4 correct answers. And then B, 19 minus 4 equals 15, but also 19 minus 15 equals 4. Okay, so and then C, D, E, and F. You can just look at them, and if your child has answered any of these number combinations, then it's correct. All right, and then the second page here. So yeah, just look at the answers that are correct. So 17, 6, 16, 11, and then row 2, 6, 14, 9, 13, 16, row 3, 12, 17, 13, 7, 15, and then the last row 5, 6, 14, 18, 9. And those numbers correlates to the letters and the words that those letters creates are Songkran festival, and that is the answers. So did you know any public holidays in Thailand? Yes, that is probably the biggest holiday in Thailand, Songkran. Okay, anyway, so that is all for this video clip, and I will see you again in the next one. Take care and bye bye.